Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain what the 5xx pages mean that we show within the summary tab of our reporting feature. Now our web crawler collects a lot of data, analyzes and checks that data and presents it to you in a number of different ways that enable you to more easily understand, visualize and accept and understand that data. 5xx pages refers to errors that begin with 5 and have 3 characters. So if you have a 502 error or a 500 error, typically what this means is that there's a server error going on and you're prevented from accessing that page. Now if you can't access a page, that page is then not going to be indexable or crawlable by Google, and it means that it won't appear in the search results. So if that's a page that you do want to appear in the search results, then obviously you need to fix that error. In this case we don't have any 500 errors, but if we have a look at the 400 errors, you'll see a very similar thing, except the status codes would be 5 something. You can extend the amount of rows that you want to see, and you can also download all of this into a CSV file. Clicking data on the breadcrumb navigation will take you back, and that is basically everything you need to know about 5xx page errors. Thanks for watching.